Plex.Earth 3. Working with imagery from Map Explorer. Import from current image using any map provider. First, we're going to select the coordinate system which applies to our project. The selection will be automatically stored as a reference for future use. Click on the Select Zone and Units button from the ribbon. Choose the country or region of your project. Select the appropriate coordinate system from the list, and make sure that you're using the correct drawing units. The By AutoCAD selection automatically detects your project units. However, it is recommended that you choose the units you normally work your projects on. Then, click OK. Now let's open the Map Explorer to select the provider which will be used to import our imagery. From the Plex.Earth ribbon, click to open the Map Explorer. In the Map Explorer window, you can choose a map template from the list of available base maps. You can also browse through a set of country-specific maps that are available, or you can even create a new map by adding a tile server or a web map service source. For now, we're going to select Bing Map Serial from the map selection as our base map. Once you select your desired map, the Map Explorer window will automatically zoom into the viewer extent of your AutoCAD project. There, you can move the map around and zoom in and out using the mouse and scroll wheel to center the map on your desired area. Upon closing the Map Explorer, the program asks if you want to set your selected map as your default map template. By doing so, your selected map will open by default every time you use the Map Explorer. If, however, you want to utilize another map provider, you can click on the Change Map button and follow the same map selection process. Let's close the Map Explorer and set our current map as the default map view. Another way to zoom Map Explorer into our view is the Zoom Area command. Just click on the button and make a selection of the area you want to cover. The Map Explorer will automatically load our default map and open it to the specified location. Now that we have selected our area of interest, click on the Scale Selection button to choose your desired scale. It is recommended that a scale value of 1 to 15,000 or higher is selected, as map scales below that value may result in significant accuracy errors when importing the imagery. Here, we're going to choose a 1 to 10,000 scale, which will cover our needs for the current project. Once you've completed your selection, just minimize the Map Explorer window. Now that we've set up our preferences, it's time to import the imagery into our AutoCAD project. From the Map Explorer ribbon, click the Import Current Image button. Plex.Earth will automatically import your desired image into the drawing, geo-referenced and at its exact location. Select the imagery and use the Send to Back command of AutoCAD to bring your project into view. The result is a perfectly aligned imagery background for your AutoCAD project. The Map Explorer offers the capability to import imagery from virtually any map provider you like, making it a highly versatile tool. The quality of the image you wish to import is dependent on the area size you want to cover. Large areas require low scale values, which result in poor quality. When you want to cover large areas with high quality imagery, you can create a mosaic instead of importing a single image. Working with imagery from Map Explorer, created by Plex.Earth's support team.